We have some breaking news, and the High Court has just ruled on whether the NHS trust at the centre of a legal battle over the treatment of a teen who subsequently died can be named. Well, 19-year-old Sudiksha Thirumalesh, who suffered from a genetic mitochondrial disease, had lost an appeal to travel abroad for experimental care. The High Court has just made its ruling about the NHS trust in question. Let's get out to our Midlands correspondent, Becky Johnson's got the details for us.
Yeah, the trust can now be named as University Hospitals Birmingham Trust, one of the largest NHS trusts in the country. You'll remember this story has been in the headlines for a number of days. Sudiksha Thirumalesh was 19 years old. She sadly died on the 12th of September. She was suffering from a rare mitochondrial disorder, and she'd been battling the trust in the courts for a number of months before her death because she disagreed with their decision to put her onto palliative care. She had wanted to travel to North America for some experimental treatment, but the trust had decided to put her onto palliative care, and lawyers for the trust had argued that she was actively dying and suffering severe respiratory episodes. Well, that court battle was still ongoing between the trust and the patient when she sadly passed away from a cardiac arrest. Now, we've had some reaction from her brother and from Christian Concern, who supported the family.
They didn't want her to go and get that treatment abroad because it's not proven here in the UK, but people receiving that treatment had great prospects and they were doing very well.
There were other hospitals that were wanting or prepared to consider Sudiksha's condition and what might be done. So that was a reality. She was always seeking for that to happen.
Now, the court judgment says we can name the trust, University Hospitals Birmingham, but we can't name the specific hospital, and that's to protect the clinicians involved. We've had a statement from the trust which says it offers its sincere and heartfelt condolences to Sudiksha's family, but it maintains that Sudiksha simply did not believe that her condition was that fragile, and says there was a dispute between hospital clinicians and the psychiatrists as to whether such a belief was caused by an impairment or disturbance in the functioning of the mind or brain. So still backing the decision of their clinicians, but sending their heartfelt condolences to the family as they are revealed as the trust who was locked in a legal battle with this 19-year-old who sadly passed away earlier this month.